The Pipe Creek Watershed, an area approximately 6,000 acres in size, the watershed is located in the northeast corner of Fond du Lac County, situated mostly within the township of Calumet. The Pipe Creek Watershed is a part of the Foxwoof Watershed Basin that drains the Lake Winnebago. Dairy farms cover the landscape of the Pipe Creek Watershed. Agricultural land accounts for roughly 71% of the land in the watershed. Common practice, as it stands, is to till the soil in order to incorporate manure and prepare the seedbed for planting. Clay soils, common to the watershed, tend to hold water better than other soil types, and thus tillage is used to help dry out the soil. Problem is, anytime that we till the soil, it leaves the soil bare and vulnerable to erosion. And oftentimes that soil is nutrient-rich, running off into our waterways and eventually into Lake Winnebago, causing pollution and excessive sediment loading. There are two sides to this story, one being the way that we manage the soil, residue, manure, fertilizer, and overall cropping systems, and the other being the perennial problem of nature. There isn't a whole lot that we can do about the weather. It is what it is. However, we can be proactive about the way that we manage our farms, and this is exactly what we are setting out to do. We're challenging two farmers, Tasch and Dave Simon, to be pioneers in the Pipe Creek watershed and push the envelope on what's possible for crop management. They will be tasked with implementing continuous no-till, cover crops, and low disturbance manure injection on 225 acres each for 3 years. These practices hold the soil in place, capture nutrients, and best place manure so that it reduces the risk of runoff. We will follow them on their journey using social media and field days to share their successes and failures with the public, but more importantly, other farmers. While both farmers have experience with these practices, implementing them continuously and all at the same time will be the new venture. In order to decrease the economic risk of trying these practices, we are offering cost share payments from a grant that we've received from the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. This initiative is done in collaboration with the Foxwoof Watershed Alliance, Fond du Lac Land and Water Conservation Department, and Outagamie Land Conservation Department. We hope that you join us on this adventure as we follow Chad and Dave. No doubt there will be challenges, but also innovation and opportunity for learning. This project isn't about being reactive, but proactive. We anticipate gaining knowledge about soil health in order to justify these practices well beyond mere erosion control and pollution prevention.